Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या cooking चॅनलाचेर. म्हणतात तुम्ही सगळी बरी आसतली सावध आनी भलायकीन. So today I am going to show you all how to make paneer, that is cheese cottage at home, and how you can make sweet dish out of it, or you can use it for your palak paneer, homemade paneer. So this is the quick recipe. What you need is 1 liter of milk, any company milk, thick virgin milk, and we need around 2 tablespoons of vinegar, synthetic vinegar. That's it, what we need. Okay, so let's start. Then keep your bowl ready where you are going to pass through this with a muslin cloth, okay, or you can use a strainer also. So now this is on, and let it get a boil. So it has to get a boil, then I will show you the other procedure. So now it's getting a boil. And we will add now to this point 2 tablespoons of vinegar, okay? One, 2, and see the reaction. As soon as the vinegar is gone, पळय आतां विनाक घातल्या हितून आनी आतां हें सगलें दूद फुटोंक लागलें. गॅस लो फ्लेमीर करा. Let it get boil. See. So few minutes, because I want it to be all this. When it is done, if you want to add, instead of vinegar, lime juice or lemon juice, you can add that also. Now we'll strain this. Now why I am straining this, I am showing you. So now I will be passing this through cold water. So this, you all don't discard this, because you can use it to make many things like chans. You can have it like a chance, or you can have it like This is like a buttermilk. You can have it like vegetable when you are making anything, or you can use it in your cakes. Many things you can make out of this. So don't throw this out. Keep it separately. Store it in fridge. Whenever you want to use it, use it. Store it in deep freezer. Here. So now I will add this 1 cup of water to this, so that anything is there like vinegar smell or some people don't like, that will go after this. What's this? It's like you push this nicely, and then we will cover, keep this hanging or under a heavy weight, and our paneer will be ready. So I will be using this to hang this, to remove the excess water, and I will just tie this, or you can keep a heavy weight on this till it is nicely set, or you can keep it in the fridge. Either you can hang it, or you can keep it on a plate. Like this, you can just keep a heavy weight. Okay. So this is my homemade paneer, and we can just chop this nicely and cut it in cube, or you can do paneer burji, you can do palak paneer, you can do sweet dish. I'll show you how after cutting also. And chop this. So hope you all will enjoy this homemade paneer. You can make it more, you can do how much you want. Thank you. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलो ह्यो व्हिडिओ, आनी तुमी हे कोत्तेलीन आनी एन्जॉय करात homemade paneer. Thank you. Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Tricks YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या cooking channelaचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकेन. So today I am going to show you all how to make Kalakand. That is a sweet, Indian sweet made out of this is like a homemade paneer which I made of 1 liter of milk, which I have shown you all, and I passed some water through this. So now it is like of 1 liter thick milk. Okay, this is all, and we need this. If you are doing with direct paneer, then it is like that 250 grams paneer you can use, and this is 1 cup of condensed milk. तर आयज हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक दाखयता कालाकंड जे आमचे इंडियन स्वीट्स जावन आसा. तर तुमकां हांवें दाखयलां कशें तुमच्यान घारा हें दूद फोडून करूं येता पळय तें. So very few ingredients you need. So you need this. Either you make it at home or you get it ready-made paneer. Then we need 1 cup of condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of milk powder. I'm going to use little bit of Kiora water, around like half teaspoon. Then I am going to add 1 elaichi powder, which is crushed like this, cardamom powder 1, which I have crushed, and a dash of cinnamon powder I am going to add, then few dry something like that. Okay, so now what we have to do, we'll mix this with this. This will go. So 1 cup, this is like 1 cup. So if you are getting that tin of 400 gram, so in that like 1/4 is remained. So we need 1 cup for this. So I will show you. Condensed milk is here. I've used this company. You can use any other company, and this is what is remaining. So it is like I've used 3/4 of this. But if you are taking in measurement cup, then take it like 1 cup, measure in cup, and cups you can easily get it in Amazon. The link is there. Now we'll add this 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll mix this all nicely, and then we will keep this on gas. Till then also grease your tin or wherever you are going to put this batter later. You can use aluminium tin, or directly when you get that takeaway, that also. So now we will cook this till it leaves the sides of the pan. This we will add later. Now this is on the gas, and we have to cook this nicely till it leaves the sides of this pan. So you have to stir this, and if you are not using non-stick pan, then please take care. Don't let it get burned. Mostly people make it for different festivals in India, but this is my daughter's and husband's favorite. So I thought of making this and showing you all. I've made it earlier many times, but never got time to make video. So at this point I will add the cinnamon powder and the cardamom, crushed cardamom. Now it's up to you. If you don't want to add cinnamon powder, that's fine. If you don't want to add cardamom, crushed cardamom, that's fine. I will add our kevra water also to this. Again, this is for flavor. So like 1 teaspoon of that also. It's becoming thicker now. And low flame starting, and then you can make it on medium flame. So now you can see it is leaving the pan. It's very quick and easy to make. Now is the time for us to switch off the gas because it is done. So at this time I'll put off my gas. So this is what I am going to use. I have applied ghee to this, greased it with ghee, and now we will add this over here. And then we will set this nicely. It's hot. Now I will garnish this on top with some cashew nuts. Some pistachio, roasted one. Some walnut. That is up to you, okay? This everything is up to you if you want to or if you don't want to. And if you want, then some of the kishmish. Choice is yours. So hope you all will enjoy this. Now what we have to do, I will show you the final result later. Now this will go in the fridge, so I will cover this. Cover this and I will keep this in fridge for few hours. So it is like just 10 minutes it takes if everything is kept ready.